Sa video natin today, dadaan tayo step by step kung paano gumawa ng order confirmation automation gamit ang GoHighLevel. What's up guys? Ako si Ashley, and if you've ever sold something online and wondered how to automatically confirm orders, mag-send ng updates, and i-keep ang customers informed without manual follow-ups, this video is for you. Super important ito kasi ang order confirmation is isa sa pinaka-importante na touch points sa e-commerce. It sets expectations, builds trust, and supports issues before they even happen. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to structure a clean and simple na order confirmation automation sa loob ng GoHighLevel and kung paano nagko-connect lahat ng pieces. So, let's get into it. Kung hindi ka pa familiar sa kung ano ang GoHighLevel, it's an all-in-one platform na pinagsasama ang CRM, automations, emails, SMS, funnels, payments, and customer tracking all in one system. E-commerce and digital product sellers, GoHighLevel can handle everything from checkout to post-purchase communication kapag may nag-place ng order sa GoHighLevel. That action pwedeng mag-trigger ng automations. These automations can send confirmation emails, SMS messages, tracking links, and follow-up notifications without you needing to do anything manually. Ang focus natin sa video na to is yung post-purchase experience. That means what happens after somebody buys, how they get confirmation, how they receive updates, and paano mapanatili yung communication na clear and professional. This is not about pagbuo ng store from scratch or paggawa ng products. Ito ay tungkol sa kung anong mangyayari once may sale na and kung paano yung automate yung process na to in a way na organized and simple. So bago pa tayo mag-build ng kahit ano, malaking help talaga na maintindihan yung main components na involved sa GoHighLevel order confirmation automation. Sa pinaka-core nito is yung trigger, which is yung action na nag-start ng lahat. So in this case, ang trigger is order or payment event. Once na nangyari yan, alam ng GoHighLevel na may customer na nag-complete ng purchase. Next is yung email confirmation, which sends the customer written proof of their order. Kadalasan kasama dito yung order details, what they purchased, and what to expect next. May SMS confirmation din, which is isang short and immediate message na nagsasabi ng customer na pumasok na yung order nila. Super helpful nito for quick reassurance and higher open rates. Another key piece is yung tracking or access links. For physical products, this could be a shipped or tracking information. For digital products or services, pwede rin tong access links lang, onboarding steps, or next actions. And finally, lahat ng to nagko-connect through automation logic, which controls timing, message order, and conditions. So yung customers nakaka-receive ng tamang message at the right time. Instead of isipin to as separate tools, it helps to see them as one connected flow. Now, pag-usapan natin kung paano talaga gumagana yung order confirmation automations conceptually, and then lipat na tayo sa GoHighLevel. So, kapag nag-complete ng purchase, may short moment na mataas yung trust, pero pwede rin pumasok yung uncertainty. Customers want to know their payment went through and what happens next. Order confirmation automations are designed to close that gap. GoHighLevel listens for the purchase event, and then agad-agad magsasend ng confirmation message through the channels na pipiliin mo. Email provides detail, SMS para sa speed, and tracking for access links para sa clarity. When done well, nababawasan nito yung support tickets, prevent confusion, and maganda yung overall customer experience without adding more work for you. Ang goal is hindi i-overwhelm ang customer sa messages. Ang goal is i-confirm, i-reassure, and i-guide sila, okay? Ngayon, paano gawin yung automation na to sa GoHighLevel? Ang first step is gamitin yung link namin sa baba para ma-access mo yung extended 30-day free trial. Once na-click mo na yung link, all you'll do is go ahead and click start, an extended free trial, new company name, full name, email address, and phone number. Step number 2, kailangan mo pa rin ilagay yung credit card information mo, but you will not be charged until that 30-day trial is up. So if you're deciding if this is the workflow for you, mag-set ka ng reminder or email notifications sa day 28 or 29, okay? Now, once na nakalogin ka na, ito yung navigation bar dito. So meron tayong dashboard, and basically dito mo makikita kung nasaan lahat ng bagay. Nandito yung opportunity status, opportunity value, funnel, mga outstanding tasks, manual actions, Google Analytics, and so much more. Meron din tayong mga tools like conversions. So lahat ng conversions sa Facebook, WhatsApp can be in one place. Meron din calendars, lahat ng contacts mo, pati opportunities, which parang CRM na rin siya. So you have different pipelines for different things. At kung may pipeline ka, pwede mong ilagay doon kung saan sila nag-purchase, pati payments and things like that. Dito mo rin i-add yung product. Then meron din tayong mga AI agents, marketing automations, and sites like funnels, websites, and everything in between, memberships, and more. We're gonna navigate to the workflow. You can go ahead and build it from scratch, which you can do that, that's fine. Pero lagi ko nire-recommend na mag-start sa AI kasi pwede niyang i-build it for you. And if you need to adjust anything, pwede mo siyang i-edit from here. Ang laking tulong nito kasi hindi ka magsisimula sa blank screen. So, gagawa tayo ng order confirmation. Ang trigger natin ay successful purchase. Then, gusto natin may email and SMS confirmation na may order number and or shipping tracking links. Let's make the email immediate. Tapos, yung SMS, may waiting period na mga 5 minutes. Okay? Ngayon, hayaan muna natin yung AI gawin yung trabaho niya. So, eto na. May order submitted na tayo. Ang kailangan mo i-select is kung ano yung actual product. Dito may existing product na tayo which is yung Daily Planner Digital Download. So, you can do that. Or if it was something that actually needed to be shipped, that would need to be set up. So, then dito sa email confirmation natin, nakalagay something like, "Your contract, thank you for your recent purchase. We are pleased to confirm your order." Kasama yung order number na dito papasok yung customer ID. So, yung GoHighLevel, siya na mismo ang magka-create nito sa product section. Okay? Then wait 5 minutes and then send SMS confirmation. Your order is blank and it's confirmed. Thank you for shopping with us. Of course, you can customize this to be whatever it is that you want. Pero gusto ko lang ipakita kung gaano ka-simple gumawa ng automation na to. So once na nag-submit na ng order, wala ka nang kailangan gawin. Automatic na itong gagawin yung process, magsasend ng email confirmation, text confirmation, so hindi mo na kailangan mag-worry sa kahit ano. I highly recommend testing to make sure that this workflow actually works. Ang gawin mo lang is i-click yung test workflow and then once na-confirm na lahat, pwede mong i-click yung publish. Make sure na i-update mo rin yung name para hindi ka ma-confuse. Kasi kung gumagamit ka ng GoHighLevel, malamang ang dami mo ring automations. Now, gusto ko rin i-share ang ilang email confirmation best practices. So, email confirmations are where you can provide the most clarity. A good order confirmation email clearly states that the order was received, what was purchased, and what happens next. Dapat informative siya pero hindi promotional. Dapat kayang iscan ng customers yung email and agad nilang maintindihan yung order status nila. This reduces follow-up questions and builds confidence in your brand. Hindi mo rin kailangan ng mahabang explanation. Mas importante yung clear language and structure kesa sa haba. Now, sa SMS confirmation best practices, pinaka-effective yung SMS kapag diretso agad sa point. Ang purpose ng SMS is reassurance, hindi details. Sabihin mo lang sa customer na pumasok na yung order nila and i-refer sila kung saan makikita yung more information if needed. Since mas immediate ang SMS, importante talaga yung timing. Sending it shortly after the purchase can help reinforce trust and reduce uncertainty. Next is to avoid texting too many texts. Isang confirmation message lang is enough that stage. Ngayon, gusto ko rin pag-usapan kung bakit importante ang automation. Manual sending confirmation is not scalable. Habang dumadami ang orders, so does the chance for mistakes. Automations ensure every customer gets the same clear communication every single time. Yung consistency na to, nakaka-improve ng trust at nakaka-reduce ng stress para sa'yo at sa customers mo. It's also gonna free up your time once the automation is built. It's just gonna run in the background without this constant oversight. Gusto ko rin i-discuss yung different plans and pricing options para makapag-decide ka kung worth it ba para sa'yo ang GoHighLevel. So, meron siyang ilang different options for plans and pricing. Actually, pretty clear siya depende sa type ng business na meron ka. Meron siyang starter plan na $97 per month and perfecto for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. If you get access to unlimited contacts, lahat ng features ng GoHighLevel kasama na yung automations. May up to 3 sub-accounts ka rin, so ayun yung key difference nito. Kung agency ka pero nagsisimula ka pa lang, pwede ka mag-start sa starter plan. But as you need more than 3 sub-accounts, kailangan mo mag-upgrade sa unlimited plan na $297 per month. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa starter plan, pero ang biggest difference is unlimited sub-accounts, which again yung main feature nito. Meron ka rin phone and email rebilling at basic API access. And lastly, yung Agency Pro plan na $497 per month. Dito makukuha mo lahat ng nasa unlimited plan pero may kasama ka ring SaaS mode, auto sub account creation, and additional advanced API access features. So again, it's pretty clear which plan you need based on where you're at and what type of business you have. If you're selling products or services and want a really easy way to confirm others and send updates, mababawasan yung customer confusion, this type of automation is really an important step. It's great for sellers who value consistency and want system that just run in the background while you're busy growing the business. Pero kung occasional lang yung orders mo at mas gusto mo pa rin i-handle manually yung confirmations, building an automation may feel unnecessary at first. But as volume increases, mas nagiging valuable talaga na meron ka nito. For anyone looking to build scalable e-commerce or digital product systems sa loob ng GoHighLevel, yung order confirmation automations is really a foundational piece. I know how overwhelming it can feel trying to piece together post-purchase communication, lalo na kung sabay-sabay mong hinahandle yung sales, fulfillment, and support, but having a clear order confirmation automation is just gonna take so much pressure off of you. Kung gusto mong i-check yung GoHighLevel for yourself at ma-access yung extended 30-day free trial, don't forget to use our exclusive link down below. Gusto ko rin i-mention na affiliate link sa mga to, which means pwede kaming kumita ng small commission at no extra cost to you. So kung gagamitin mo yung link namin, maraming salamat in advance for supporting our channel. Malaking tulong to para makapag-continue kami gumawa ng free content and tutorials just like this. This channel is dedicated to helping you build simple, effective e-commerce systems that actually support your growth. Don't forget na mag-like at mag-subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And of course, mag-iwan ng comments or questions sa baba kasi we'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video.